tarot reader, tarot guide Shefali. Welcome to this video. This is a video for April 2021 predictions. We are going to do sun sign based predictions in this video. So there will be series of 12 sun sign based predictions which I'll be releasing in Hindi as well as in English on my channel Tarot Reader Shefali in Hindi and Tarot Reader Shefali in English. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube, Instagram as well as Facebook, because on Instagram also I do keep on releasing a lot of pick a card readings and lot of topics which I cover under the tarot segment. Also do keep sharing your comments, sharing your insights, sharing your experiences from these readings, that it really helps me to improvise. I have launched a new brand called Astro Vruksh by Shefali, which is a multi-astro stream brand. So I offer integrated destiny management solutions under this brand, and I already have released a video which is talking in detail about what this brand offers. So do check out that video. I'll be placing a card over here which you can so that you can check that video and know a little more about the brand. I'm also going to mention it at the end of the video, where I'll be putting in a slide so that you know what all services I offer under that brand. So without wasting too much of time, let us quickly jump into this video. I also just quickly I would like to mention that for Astro Vruksh also I have a YouTube channel, Instagram page, Facebook group and a Facebook page. I'm inviting all of you to join Facebook group because it is a unified group of Tarot Reader Shefali and Astro Vruksh by Shefali, which is a parent brand now. So now quickly jumping to this video, let's see what is in cards. Hi Librans, let's see what's in cards for you for April 2021. We'll start with your energy oracle card. We have woman holding a heart energy which is surrounding you in this month, so which is showing that there is some lady who is going to offer her romantic relationship to you. I won't say it's just about romantic relationship. It could be warmth and love from somebody you really know, who is a lady of importance and influence in your circle. Now this lady could be a social butterfly. So her love might or may not be very serious. By love I mean her love interest. If at all it is a romantic proposal, it may or may not be serious, but yes, she is interested in you romantically. For some of people, this lady could be somebody who is in your social circle or in your office circle or a corporate circle, and who is showing the interest and in turn expecting some and in turn is ready to offer some favors to you. So just be little careful, because this lady has a could be a little tricky to handle, and it might be little tricky bone to tackle in the social circle, in your social life. So just be little careful while actually entertaining somebody like that. Coming to your relationship, we have Knight of Pentacles, upright position, which is showing a new relationship or a preparation of new relationship or a revival of a relationship, with all the preparation that you are trying to take this relationship to a new level. It also could mean that you are planning to travel with your loved ones and exploring places. Well, practically in the current COVID scenario, it looks difficult to explore places, but yes, by exploring places I mean over here that you are all prepared, all set to work on your relationship and take it to the next level. Not necessarily change of location, but you are trying to pamper and give it time, and you are planning to a revival in relationship or startup of some new relationship, or exploring some relationship which you had left sometime in the past, and you want to give it a chance. So basically it is showing the energy of friendliness, it is showing the energy of connectivity and aligning with each other to create something new, something better and something hopeful in terms of relationship circle. Coming to your career, friends, we can see strength energy but in the reverse position. So you have inner strength, you have lot of inner power to create a career that you desire, whether it is with regards to your business, whether it is regards to your work, that is job, or it is regards to some skill enhancement. You already have that energy, that power, that vision to achieve it, but there is a blockage. So there could be delay in that opportunity coming to you, there could be delay in that business getting closed, there could be delay in those deal closures or some upgradation or appreciation that you're expecting in the work. There could be delays if you are planning for some skill enhancement and the things are getting delayed, not converted. So it is totally based on the time factor. As the time turns right, you will be able to crack this thing. So meanwhile, just lie low, think about the entire matter from a totality perspective. Don't get bogged down or don't get upset because things are not converting. It is just the game of patience. So keep patience, things will shape up. Try to understand your inner strength and try to work on it to create that resilience and create that hope which will keep you going on until the time is right. Coming to your finances, friends, we can see Four of Wands in the reverse. So somewhere we can see some drainage which has happened in your financial segment, and maybe because of that there has been some problems which you have faced, leading to some losses. Also, it could also mean that the other alternative could be that you were planning something really big, but it is getting blocked, it is getting delayed. There was some new financial investment expected, new financial closures expected, new some profit which was expected to come by, but it is blocked right now. So here the cards are suggesting you to take an outsider's perspective. If you feel that things are not shaping up in that particular deal or financial planning investment which you have been doing, just move out of it. It is upon you what decision you take. And if at all you feel like staying there, hold on for some time, and in right time you can take the right decisions. So don't get into hasty mode here. For Librans, you will have to be little careful, patient and cautious, whether it's regards to your career or with regards to your finances. Coming to your health, friends, we have Nine of Pentacles, which is a beautiful card. It says that yes, you are in the pink of your health, you are taking care of your health. Yes, of course, there is a possibility that you're enjoying too much, like you are maybe taking little advantage of the good health situation. But here a quick advice would be to take care of your health and follow a particular routine so that you don't become too careless and to enjoy or fun freak, which could badly affect your health. So try to retain the health as it is. Already it is in the good position, and try to retain it that way. Work with full intensity to make it better and better and better. Coming to your angel advice, we have emotional sensitivity card, which is suggesting that you are expected to be emotionally sensitive during this period. So take care of your emotions. It's a gift. Use it rightly. Don't let it bog down you. Don't let it harm you or emotionally bother you or trouble you. Rather, use it as your strength and try to connect people and try to make yourself feel better with that skill or that side of your personality. Coming to a chakra advice card, Truth is the card which is currently suggested by chakra cards, which is saying that somewhere you might have to balance your tongue, you might have to balance your communication, you might have to see or analyze what is right and what is wrong. You will have to stay within the ethical boundaries. You will have to gauge right and wrong as per the situation and accordingly take decisions or speak it out to people. Don't be rash, don't be rude because you're experiencing some delays. It could be a situational or a time factor. Maybe or may not be the people may or may not be involved in delaying things. It could be just a bad time. So just watch your tongue, watch your speech, watch your analytical skills. Try to gauge what is right and wrong and accordingly react or act to the situation. So I really hope this reading helps you guys. Very good luck. So friends, I really hope that this reading will help you to plan your coming month in the best possible fashion. Wherever you feel there is need of more help or more personalized reading, you can connect with me on my email ID or on my mobile number or WhatsApp me me on my number. You can put me an Instagram message or a Facebook message. I'm very active there and I will reply back at the earliest. So don't forget to follow me on these platforms: Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, as well as Facebook group, which is named under Astro Vruksh by Shefali. I would request you to share these videos with your friends, families, colleagues, so that they can also get benefit out of these free readings and they can also plan their life better. Do share your feedback in terms of comments, in terms of queries. If you feel stuck somewhere, you can connect with me either personally or on my YouTube channel. Please stick to the context of tarot reading or astro advice. Okay, so that is one request I would like to make. I'm thanking all the subscribers for being along the journey, and I would like to invite more subscribers to join us so that we can help each other and I can help you more in my capacity and regularly, so that you can get the guidance out of it. And I hope this month goes well for you. Thank you guys. Very good luck to you.